Picture this. You've just finished a delicious meal, but instead of feeling satisfied, the burning sensation starts creeping up your chest. A sour taste lingers in your mouth, and you just feel generally uncomfortable. That, my friends, is the not-so-wonderful world of acid reflux, also known as heartburn. If you've ever experienced this, you know how disruptive it can be. It can disturb your sleep, mess with your focus, and just make you feel plain lousy. But don't despair. In this video, I'm going to share 10 natural home remedies that can provide from acidity and help you get back to feeling your best. Let's dive in. This might be the most classic home remedy out there. Baking soda is alkaline, meaning it helps neutralize excess stomach acid. That's why it can provide some quick relief when heartburn strikes. Mix about half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it down. Now, it's important not to rely on baking soda too often. Frequent use can mess with your body's electrolyte balance. So think of this as a break in case of heartburn emergency kind of solution. Ginger is a true powerhouse. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an irritated stomach and ease that burning sensation. There are tons of ways to use ginger. You can nibble on some fresh ginger, steep it in hot water to make ginger tea. Or even add it to your favorite dishes for a little extra anti-acidity kick. You might think of aloe vera for soothing sunburns, but did you know it can also help calm internal inflammation? That's why aloe vera juice can be beneficial for acid reflux. Choose pure aloe vera juice without a bunch of added sugars or other ingredients. Drink a small amount, maybe a quarter cup, and see how it feels. Okay. I know this one sounds weird. Vinegar is acidic, so why would you drink it when you already have too much acid? Here's the thing, apple cider vinegar, specifically the raw, unfiltered kind, helps balance your body's overall pH levels. And for some people that can actually lead to better stomach acid production in the long run. Dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. It's best to drink this before a meal. Chamomile is known for its calming effects, and that extends to your digestive system. It can help reduce stress, which might be contributing to your acid reflux, and ease stomach irritation. Simply stay a chamomile tea bag in hot water for a few minutes and sip away. Chamomile tea is especially nice before bed. Fennel seeds are a natural digestive aid. They help reduce gas and bloating and can promote healthy digestion overall. Chew on about a teaspoon of fennel seeds after a meal. Their slightly sweet, licorice-like flavor can also freshen your breath. Cold milk can temporarily neutralize some stomach acid, offering short-term relief. The calcium in milk also acts as a buffer. This remedy doesn't work for everyone, and sometimes dairy products can actually worsen acid reflux. So try a small amount and see how you feel. Bananas are your stomach's friend. They're a natural antacid thanks to their potassium content, and they also help promote healthy mucus production, which protects the lining of your stomach. Go ahead and enjoy a ripe banana as a snack whenever you need a little acidity relief. Slip reel might be less familiar. Its cinnabar contains a substance called mucilage, which becomes a slippery gel when mixed with water. This gel coats and soothes your esophagus and digestive lining. You can find slippery elmas of powder or capsules. Follow the instructions for whichever you choose. While emphasizing the remedies, weave in this advice. Keep a food diary to see if certain foods consistently cause you problems. Common culprits include spicy foods, fatty foods, citrus, tomatoes, chocolate, and caffeine. If you notice a pattern, try avoiding those triggers. Instead of 3 big meals a day, try eating smaller, more frequent meals to ease the strain on your digestive system. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and savor your food. This aids in proper digestion and prevents overeating. Avoid lying down for at least 2 to 3 hours after a meal. This allows gravity to help keep your stomach contents where they belong. If you're overweight, losing even a small amount of weight can reduce pressure on your stomach and improve acid reflux symptoms. Stress can worsen digestive issues. Find relaxation techniques that work for you, like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Now, while these natural remedies can offer wonderful support, taking control of your health goes beyond the immediate moment of heartburn. If you're serious about preventing illnesses, boosting your immune system, and feeling your best, I invite you to check out my #1 medical garden kit. This kit gives you the tools to grow your own old natural pharmacy right in your backyard. Think of it: fresh ginger at the ready, soothing chamomile flowers to brew into tea, and many other powerful herbs and plants with countless healing properties. No more frantic runs to the store when you're not feeling well. With this kit, you'll cultivate a self-sufficient approach to wellness. Click the link in the description to learn more about my medical garden kit and start your journey toward a naturally healthier life. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this. See you in the next video.